Budget 2024, a beacon for India's job seekers. The Indian budget is not just about numbers, it's about people. It's about hope. It's about the dreams and aspirations of millions who look forward to a brighter future. The 2024 budget, presented by our Finance Minister, is a ray of hope for job seekers across the country. It is a comprehensive plan aimed at addressing the employment needs of a diverse and growing population. It outlines a vision for a stronger, more prosperous India, driven by job creation and economic growth. The budget sets the stage for a future where economic stability and job security go hand in hand. This budget is a clear signal that the government is committed to empowering the youth and creating a brighter future for all Indians. It emphasizes the importance of nurturing talent and providing opportunities for the younger generation. The budget's focus on key sectors like infrastructure, technology, and green energy is expected to create millions of new job opportunities. These sectors are pivotal in driving the nation's progress and ensuring sustainable development. These sectors are not just engines of economic growth, they are pathways to a better life for millions of Indians. They represent the future of India's workforce and the potential for innovation and advancement. From construction workers to software engineers, the budget holds something for everyone. It aims to bridge the gap between different industries and create a cohesive environment for growth. This budget is not just about creating jobs, it's about creating the right kind of jobs. Jobs that offer stability, growth, and satisfaction to the workforce. Jobs that are sustainable, rewarding, and in line with the demands of the 21st century. The focus is on equipping individuals with the skills needed to thrive in a rapidly changing world. The government's focus on skill development and entrepreneurship will empower our youth to become job creators, not just job seekers. This initiative aims to foster a culture of innovation and self-reliance. The 2024 budget is a testament to the government's commitment to building an Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-reliant India. This vision is about creating a robust and resilient economy. This means creating an India that is not just a market for global companies, but a global manufacturing and innovation hub. An India that stands tall on the global stage. This vision will be fueled by the talent and hard work of the Indian people, empowered by the policies and initiatives outlined in this budget. Together, we can build a future that is prosperous, inclusive, and sustainable for all. Infrastructure boom building more than roads and bridges. The 2024 budget has made a historic allocation towards infrastructure development. This means massive investments in roads, railways, airports, and ports. But the story doesn't end there. This infrastructure push is about much more than bricks and mortar. It's about creating lakhs of new jobs. Think about it. Every new road that is built needs engineers, construction workers, and maintenance staff. Every new airport needs pilots, ground crew, and security personnel. The multiplier effect of this infrastructure boom will be felt across various sectors, creating a ripple effect of job creation throughout the economy. This focus on infrastructure is not just about connecting cities, it's about connecting people to opportunities. Improved infrastructure will facilitate the movement of goods and services, making businesses more efficient and competitive. This will lead to economic growth, which in turn will create even more demand for jobs. The government's emphasis on affordable housing is another example of how the infrastructure push will create jobs. Constructing millions of new homes will require a massive workforce, providing employment opportunities for skilled and unskilled laborers alike. This will not only address the housing shortage in the country, but also boost the economy and improve the lives of millions. Green Revolution. Sowing the seeds for sustainable employment. The journey towards a sustainable future begins with the seeds we sow today, both literally and metaphorically. The world is waking up to the challenges of climate change, and India is leading the way with its commitment to sustainable development. From bustling cities to remote villages, the call for a greener planet is resonating across the nation. The 2024 budget reflects this commitment with a strong emphasis on green energy and environmental protection. This budget is not just a financial document, it is a blueprint for a sustainable future. This green push is not just good for the planet, it's good for the economy and for job creation. By investing in green technologies, we are paving the way for a new era of economic prosperity. The budget has allocated significant funds towards renewable energy projects such as solar and wind power plants. These projects are the backbone of our green revolution, providing clean energy and reducing our carbon footprint. This will create a surge in demand for skilled workers in the renewable energy sector, from engineers and technicians to installation and maintenance crews. These jobs are not just about employment, they are about building a sustainable future. As India transitions towards a greener future, these green jobs will be crucial for both economic growth and environmental sustainability. They represent a new wave of opportunities for the workforce. The government's focus on electric vehicles is another major initiative that will create numerous job opportunities. The shift towards electric mobility is a significant step in reducing our dependence on fossil fuels. The budget provides incentives for the manufacturing and adoption of electric vehicles, which will boost the entire EV ecosystem. This includes everything from production to infrastructure development. This includes jobs in manufacturing, battery production, charging infrastructure development, and maintenance services. Each of these sectors will see a surge in demand for skilled labor. Furthermore, the budget's emphasis on sustainable agriculture will create new avenues for job creation in rural areas. Initiatives promoting organic farming, water conservation, and climate-resilient agriculture will not only improve farmers' income, but also create jobs in related sectors such as food processing and agri-tech. And climate-resilient agriculture will not only improve farmers' income, but also create jobs in related sectors such as food processing and agri-tech. These initiatives are vital for the holistic development of rural economies. The Green Revolution is not just about protecting our environment, it's about creating a new engine for economic growth and job creation. It is about ensuring that our development is sustainable and inclusive. By investing in green technologies and sustainable practices, India is positioning itself as a leader in the global fight against climate change, while also securing a greener and more prosperous future for its citizens. This is a future where economic growth and environmental sustainability go hand in hand, creating a better world for generations to come. Digital India 2.0, powering up the tech job engine. The 2024 budget recognizes the transformative power of technology and its potential to drive job creation. This recognition is not just a nod to the present, but a strategic investment in the future of the nation. The budget outlines a vision for Digital India 2.0, focusing on expanding digital infrastructure, promoting digital literacy, and fostering innovation in the tech sector. This comprehensive approach aims to create a robust digital ecosystem that can support a wide range of industries and services. This digital push is set to create a wave of new job opportunities for India's tech-savvy youth. By equipping them with the necessary skills and tools, the initiative aims to prepare them for the demands of a rapidly evolving job market. One of the key highlights of Digital India 2.0 is the expansion of high-speed internet connectivity to even the remotest corners of the country. This initiative is crucial for ensuring that no part of India is left behind in the digital revolution. This will bridge the digital divide and unlock a plethora of opportunities in sectors such as e-commerce, telemedicine, online education, and digital entertainment. These sectors have the potential to transform lives by providing access to services and opportunities that were previously out of reach. This enhanced connectivity will create new markets, attract investments, and fuel job growth in both urban and rural areas. By connecting rural areas to the global economy, it will open up new avenues for economic development and job creation. The budget also emphasizes the importance of digital skills in the 21st century workforce. In a world where technology is constantly evolving, staying updated with the latest skills is essential for career growth and success. Initiatives to promote digital literacy and equip the youth with in-demand tech skills will be crucial for harnessing the full potential of digital India. These initiatives will ensure that the workforce is ready to meet the challenges and opportunities of the digital age. This will create a large pool of skilled professionals ready to take up jobs in areas such as software development, data analytics, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and cloud computing. These fields are at the forefront of technological innovation and offer exciting career prospects. Furthermore, the government's continued support for the startup ecosystem is a testament to its belief in the power of innovation to drive job creation. Startups are often the breeding grounds for new ideas and technologies that can disrupt traditional industries and create new markets. The budget provides various incentives for startups, including tax breaks, easier access to funding, and streamlined regulations. These measures are designed to reduce the barriers to entry for new businesses and encourage more people to take the entrepreneurial plunge. This will encourage more young Indians to embrace entrepreneurship, creating new businesses and generating employment opportunities. By fostering a culture of innovation and risk-taking, the initiative aims to transform India into a hub of entrepreneurial activity. The Digital India 2.0 vision is not just about making India a global tech powerhouse. It's about empowering every Indian citizen with the tools and skills they need to succeed in the digital age. This inclusive approach ensures that the benefits of digital transformation are shared by all, creating a more equitable and prosperous society.